to get permanent staff. Some universities have been unable to raise enough revenue to pay part-time staff, leading to cost burdens, and in fact, some part-time staff have disappeared with student trips, leading to the pandemic problem of missing marks. Hence, inadequate staffing can be said to have greatly undermined the quality of university education. I humbly recommend that the government solve the perennial problem of staffing in universities through viable and sustainable financing options. You know, the fund that everybody is getting at least some form of scholarship. Everybody is getting at least some form of loan. Then the question we are asking here is, are there people or are there no people in this country who can afford university education without being supported by the government? That's a question I'm leaving with you. If they are there, then why can't we have a category of students whom we are calling they're not needed? They don't need the support of government at all. It turns out that there is a disparity between the factors in demand and what is captured in higher education laws called MTI. And this calls for the scientific inquiry to remedy the MTI to make it more effective in addressing student needs. To equitably implement the new funding model, there is need for a survey to establish number of students from low, middle, and high income backgrounds to justify the funding formula. Upon implementation, there is need to provide for discounted rates of loan repayment for those who repay immediately. Loan and scholarship recipients who take loan to complete studies because of unnatural factors must be made to lose the scholarships and loans and be required to repay immediately. However, top students and those who complete earlier should be incentivized through some form of waiver. The family contribution should be scientifically justified, while at the same time, another category of not needed should be created in the funding model.
Akogene ate akui a boda boda mwena wa Gitegera